how to record NFL Sunday Ticket. Now, first things first is, of course, you have to have an NFL Sunday Ticket. Now, there are things on how you will be getting that specific ticket. As of 2024, let's try to go ahead and check if the official NFL YouTube channel is still working. So if we go to youtube.com and then search for NFL, if we tap or click on the official NFL YouTube channel, now before or usually the NFL Sunday Ticket is usually visible right here. So all you have to do is just to tap on that, set up your payment method, and pay for that specific Sunday ticket. Now, if you already have your NFL Sunday ticket and then wanting to record the game, all you have to do again is to use YouTube TV for this method. Now, you'll just have to subscribe for YouTube TV so you'll be able to add any tournament or any games that you wanted from NFL added automatically to your library, and then once the NFL or the specific NFL tournament is on air, it will automatically record. So you can actually watch the previous game if the recording is done. So those are the only steps that you can do to record NFL Sunday Ticket.